questions that's been there from the previous years. Look at the first question, it's the basic algebra. We need to find the x. Here 3x plus 2 is 11. Subtract 2 on both sides, you got 3x equals to 9, therefore x equals to 3. You got the A as a solution. Question number 2, it's arithmetic, the percentage. Okay, our dress originally cost $80. It is now on sale, which is 25% off. What is the sale price? We'll figure out what is 25% of 80 is gonna be. That's nothing but we can able to reduce it further by saying that 25 times 4 divided by 5, because 2 times 4, 2 times 5, that's gonna be 100 divided by 5, which is 20. Otherwise, you can have one more trick, that is if 50% of 80 is $40, that's gonna be 50%. Then half of 50% is 25%, then half of 40 is $20. You can estimate it this way and remove $20 out of $80, that will be $60. This is the new sale price. You can estimate things when it comes to 25%, 20%, 50% like that, just taking the half of the original value and half of it again like that. Otherwise, you can go manually through the percentage formulas. Alright, the third one, easy as the fraction one. Just make sure to do the common denominator by multiplying 2 and 2, and you got the solution, which is 3 plus, no, just 3 by 4. 3 by 4 is the answer. The fourth question, coordinate geometry. Easy. Which of the following points lies on this given line? Alright, just need to make sure, take the first value of the x and substitute to the y. If your y get the given, respect to your y value, then that point is what you're looking forward to. So let's do the first one, which is when x equals to 1, what is your y value? They are saying it's 3. Let's check it out. Y equals to 2 times 1 plus 1, which is 3. Alright, the first option satisfies, therefore A is the answer. The fifth one. A taxi company charges $4 as flat fee plus $2 per mile. Alright, if a ride was $10, that means 10 divided by $2 is gonna be 5 miles. Alright, that's the question as well. How many miles they are traveled? Okay, fine. They have informed you carefully. We need to observe this thing. If $2 per mile, then $4 is a flat fee. Therefore, $10 includes a $4 flat fee. If you take it out, you got left with $6. Practically, this represents the number of miles they travel. So 6 divided by 2, which is 3 miles. Therefore, instead of 5, we actually need to focus on the question, that is $3 per mile. Sorry, 3 miles with $2 per mile. That's why the total fare was $10. They clearly mentioned the $4 is a flat fee. That's all. This is quite easier, and this is really fun to look at these types of questions in SAT Mathematics.